cold start for the boys. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done any vlogging or uploaded any content to this channel, but we've had the Evo back for, I want to say, just over 2 months now. Had plenty of time to enjoy it, get comfortable with the new power. As you can tell, it definitely is much more of a beast. I will show you guys what we're working with the engine bay a little bit later. Right now, I just thought we'd go for a little drive. I've got to go see a mate who is working on his GTO at the moment, so keep that Mitsubishi content going. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful car, so I thought I'd give you guys a little show of that, and also maybe just do a few little rips while we're at it, on the way there, on the way back, whatever. And show you guys how much more the car has improved. So yeah, enough rambling, let's get to it. Love that view. The GTO is looking mint, bro. So what are you doing today? Are you still trying to fix the clutch? Oh, true. This thing is a fucking weapon. Look at those fucking wheels. Mean. Look, she rips pretty fucking hard. Here's Maddie's LS. that he's got all fully built, ready to go into this Silvia. So that should be pretty good when it's done. But at the moment he's fucking around with this. Goes in for a tune soon. Yeah, should be epic. Give you guys an update when it's all done and tuned. Okay, so we're back home now, guys. Now, I will do a complete rundown of absolutely every little thing that has been done in another video, but for now I just thought I'd give you guys a little look at just how different the engine bay is looking now after all of the work that has gone into it. So that's it now. I will put a image up on the screen of what it looked like when I first got the car. So there you go, you can see what it looks like right there. And then when I actually, after I bought the car, the only thing I did was get the valve cover painted and swap out like a shitty looking hose with some heat tape on it that was here. So yeah, I hadn't really done anything at all under the hood until it got all its upgrades. Did put a fresh clear timing belt cover over here, so the one that was on there just had like bits of paint from the original red paint job that was on there. But yeah, so we had the head reconditioned. We did get a very nice exhaust manifold from the good people at Aeroflow Performance. We've got an NVIDIA dump pipe, a GT Pumps 712 turbo down there. Unsure of the downpipe I've got on the car at the moment. That was complimentary from my workshop, so thank you very much to the lovely people at Step Up. Whole new Plasman intercooler kit, intercooler piping kit. I still do need a new intercooler. We've got some Kelford 272 cams in there. Some 1000cc injectors, 1000 cc 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 injectors, 10 There is a lot of like other little bits and pieces that have been done, but that is like the bulk of the really important stuff. There's some white line suspension goodies that definitely make a huge difference on how the car performs, but I couldn't be happier. It's definitely come a long way from when I bought it a little over 2 years ago. And yeah, so as for what we've got to do next, so what it needs is it definitely needs a new intercooler. I've wanted one of those for a while, just because this one looks absolutely fucking shagged. I do have a Cusco power brace ready to go. Hopefully that will be painted and on the car in the next couple weeks, and then maybe I can get an upgraded intercooler that's gonna still fit within that. That's what I'm hoping. Do need some new coilovers because these are shit and absolutely fucking shot. But other than the coilovers and the intercooler and a new exhaust, everything performance and handling wise will be done after those last few things. So really happy about that. As for exterior mods, honestly, I'm pretty happy with how the car looks overall in general. So I would like to get this front bumper resprayed, and potentially the bonnet as well, because we've got some pretty gnarly stone chips and just all sorts of blemishes that just really stand out on the nice white paint. And as you can see, the paint on the front body kit is just absolutely fucked. Like, we need to get like lots of little touch-ups from previous owners, a bit of blue seeping through. So obviously it was a blue Evo 9 or replica Evo 9 front end. Do need a new lip. Thankfully they're only, you know, like $300 or $400 online. So when I get this painted, that is what I'll do just before that. Would like to get the headlights retouched or buffed, or if you're local and you're switched on to Evo headlights and you know any tricks, I've restored them a few times, but you know, it only lasts like maybe 6 weeks, maybe a couple months until they're back looking shit again. And these blemishes just really I don't know if the camera is really going to pick that up properly, but it almost looks like water spots. So that's why I'm thinking maybe it needs to be buffed. Okay, and moving to the back of the car, the only thing I really want to change is the rear bumper. We have a rear bumper sitting at the workshop, so hopefully next time it goes in for a service or something, I can get that done at the same time. That's the intention. Yeah, overall, super happy with how everything's coming along. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. Definitely going to try and make some more Evo content coming up. Been trying to actually get out to meets and just enjoy the car and not focus on, you know, the bullshit of having to go, okay, have I got everything? Have I got my camera? Have I got everything charged up? I've gone to bring my camera a few times to a couple of these meets. The local Evo scene is just like something I've never really been a part of or gotten to know any of the local people. But the last couple months, I've been to enough meets that I've had a chance to meet like a really great group of people. Like, we're very lucky in Queensland. The Evo community is really good. I don't think I've really met anyone that I would say is a douchebag or anything. Everyone's pretty cool. So far, anyway. I'm sure there's a couple out there, but Everyone I've met is pretty chill and pretty cool. Got to meet one of the local Evo YouTubers, Jackson Strain, the other week. His car, his Evo 10, absolute fucking weapon. I'm pretty sure there's like some reels or pictures of that when we went to the dam up on my Instagram, so go check that out. And if you don't follow me over on Instagram, the Evo Instagram, I'll put it right there. The last thing, I didn't mean to mention that, I would like to paint the cover there from silver to black. So yeah, I think that'll tidy everything up quite nicely once it's all good. Potentially maybe a new number plate bracket, and then yeah, maybe a wrap. I'm still sort of playing around with the idea of attempting to wrap the car myself, but that also terrifies the shit out of me because I've never wrapped anything in my life. But I'm pretty OCD. I have a feeling like if there's something I could do for cars or with cars and actually be good at it, I feel like that might be it. So I might buy a roll of wrap and just go fuck it and give it a go. So we'll see. Mainly because I think that would be really cool to document as a journey on YouTube of going from someone that's never wrapped a car to wrapping a full car. But we'll see. Yeah, who knows what the future holds. But yeah, definitely some big plans. And I think I've rambled on long enough. But thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.